What's up, guys? We're gonna be installing the Motion Raceworks steering column. I start with taking that bolt out, that bolt, that one, and you got two down there, and then you gotta remove that off the U-joint. That should slide right through. And then there's two bolts. I don't know if you can really see them. That holds the steering column on, but you can't see them. But then this whole thing should drop out of there. Probably should take all that apart. Got a couple of the panels off. You can see, you take that bolt out, that bolt out, and then we'll probably have to undo all of this and unplug all the wiring and whatnot. So I'll put you guys in some time lapse and watch me do it. Here we go.
We did it like that and now we do it like this. We did it like that and now we do it like this.
Yeah. Now clock, kids who got the cocaine. Don't tell me it's the little kids on Soul Train. The metaphor sent from my brain to my jaw. It comes from other places, not the tinted faces. Journalistic values are yellow and then of course falters. You watch Channel Zero with that bitch Mama Walters. She have you believe black invented crack when President Lyndon had the formula way back in 63 with Kennedy. Yes, the double cross. Remember that's when they blow his fucking head off. Vietnam vets come back looking like one-armed pets. Nixon bounce, pure text. No picket fence, no job, no 8-cylinder car. Blue collar turns to bourgeois. Depressed in your chest. Them are all for cess, no dough. Crack and veils much less. White he can sell on the corners of Bushwick. White he can sell on the corners of Flatbush. White tees can sell on the corners of Bed-Stuy. Pass the torch to that nigga guy. So just die, nigga. Die, nigga. You're too black. You can't handle, you're too strong. Get high. 5 o'clock next boost your steel. In 95 we take back Emmetsville.
Let's take a second, think back.
Brooklyn, traveling distance to party, Brooklyn. Abstinent functions, not hardly Brooklyn. The name alone holds godly. You don't know, you better ask somebody. Crackville streets since 85, the piece getting paid to not bust. Hookers' jaws got rust. Class clapping regular. Hardcore niggas with fat gold chains on the corner maintaining. Gold teeth flashing, stick up kids playing in front of Latin quarters. Keep home your daughters, cause if bullets fly, watch the flaming. Ignorant ducks are shooting wildin'. They're not aiming one Easter. Y'all don't think about it, what a pity. 5 people died in front of Skate City. Senseless back then, you was ill if you had a gun. People dashing, flashing, damn no fun. Albee Square, you couldn't shop too much, cause Fort Greene with him, you right the fuck on up. You had do or die. East New York, mad hell. Fellas cutting school, trooping to all go Maxwell. So many memories I can't manifest your route. Start where I finish at to Brooklyn, God bless. God bless. God bless. God bless.
Yeah, we represent. Crazy ass Brooklyn kids. Represent the Brooklyn all night.
Crazy ass Brooklyn kids.
Because it is survival of the fittest.
Crazy ass Brooklyn kids.
Represent the Brooklyn all night.
Crazy ass Brooklyn kids.
Because it is survival of the fittest.
Listen, cause for your mind I got the right nutrition. We keep shit hard like fat asses in cases of Heineken. Here in Brooklyn, home of the warrior and villain. Trife type chicks, top villains. The anthem, Rasta smoke marijuana. Enterprising businessmen shoot dice on the corner. Excuse me while I light my split, but some choose to sip so bullets hit brains when bottles hit lips. Clips, whatever happened to 38 specials. Now it's Desert Eagles. Government issue, probably the same one that killed Noriega. Chips that power nuclear bombs, power my Sega. Subliminal hypnotism and colonialism leaves most niggas dead or in prison in Brooklyn. Right hand cuts off the left hand to spite the hand, jealous of the next man. So violent crimes, black on black, plus mad crack the boot. Everybody can't rap, so most hustle and shoot. Make money, money, get money, take money. I can't understand that concept, cause Ja rules everything around me. Fire burns the unjust like arson, larceny. Melt MCs with mental telepathy. With precision, we're slicing and dicing. Peace to the East New York, perverted monks and Mike Tyson.
Crazy ass Brooklyn kid. Represent the Brooklyn all night. Crazy ass Brooklyn kid. Because it is survival of the fittest. Crazy ass Brooklyn kid. Represent the Brooklyn all night. Crazy ass Brooklyn kid. Because it is survival of the fittest. Crazy ass Brooklyn kid. Represent the Brooklyn all night.
Well, we were finally able to get it in there. Show you guys. There it is. Wasn't bad. Now I gotta hook this up. It shouldn't be too bad, but we on the next video that I'll do that. So till next time guys.